Guys, welcome back to St.Albert Dodge. We're in the active showroom previewing this pre-owned 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude. It's got the low mileage of 13,000 kilometers, basically in brand new shape. Very, very well taken care of. Just came in on trade. 3M package on the front. As close to new as you could see it realistically. How much wear can you put on a 13,000 kilometer car? Beautiful diamond black exterior, altitude package, so black accents, black wheels, what have you. Coming around to the rear, we've got the parking sensors, nice big healthy trunk for all of your needs. Pin. We've got the privacy cover in here, some extra stuff. Clear the snow off. In the back here, push this down. Full-size spare width tools ready to go. Power liftgate on the side, which we're going to click, and head on to the inside. Back seat hasn't even been sat in, but very, very comfortable with rear reclining. It's the half leather, half suede interior, which is very, very nice. Good for your pet owners. In the front, full power seat with lumbar. Okay, coming around, you see a lovely, lovely sunroof. Okay, Bluetooth compatibility, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, what have you. And we are going to pop on to the inside. All right, guys, welcome back inside this 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude package, 13,000K. We're just going to go over a few things that are inside the vehicle. So as I mentioned before, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You've got your lane keep, your parking sensors in the rear, as we described at the beginning of the video. Lovely extra space here with your 2 USBs and auxiliary cord. Okay, healthy boots right there. Okay, with your secondary right there. Within here, you got your sunroof, black headliner, fantastic. Looking good. Okay. As well as your garage door opener with full vent and tilt. All of your rear liftgate stuff is compatible right there. And guys, if there's any other information you're looking for this vehicle, or if you're looking to book a test drive, please call me, Anton, here at St. Albert Dodge. My phone number is 780-952-4472. Thanks.